cooking a snail pasta, we have two pastas. We cook them on DEMEYERE saucier all the time. Really great how I handle this. It's like small hands. It's really nice and light. We have green garlic, pasta water, olive oil. I'm putting a little bit of lavender in this. The idea of this snail pasta came on a trip. A snail farm, lavender farm. It's funny because they use a lavender to feed the snails. It's a take on snails that is lighter, you know, instead of being heavy and buttery. Right now I put some freeze-dried seaweed in here just to enhance the umami flavor of the pasta. Then we add on different herbs. We have parsley. We also have tarragon and laveage here combined. We add on capers for seasoning. And the snails also, we cook them with lavender as well, basil and garlic. You see how you want to maneuver the pot. This is a perfect pot for pasta. Touch more of that lavender, touch more of that olive oil and garlic honey. I just want to turn it off, not to cook the cheese. To finish this foam of laveage and actually gyokuro tea. Put some pea shoots as well, it's just to play with that flavor of fresh herbs.